Here's the app called Genmoji AI emojis. Let's take a look at it as it's going viral right now. As you can see, it's in top charts in graphics and design. What it does, craft personalized emojis using the brilliance of AI with a simple prompt. Prompt-driven AI design, simply tell us your mood and watch it becomes an emoji. iMessage integration, search, easy download, instant sharing. So yeah, let's just take a look. So, and then recent emojis. So this is like the gallery of emojis you have. And then if you wanna, then you can just go and create an account. And then there you have it. So you have my emojis, which you can text to emoji, like, and then you just generate the emoji. But then eventually you need to upgrade. Also, you can redeem some kind of offer. So that's here. You can also create pack. You can also try to, again, you can't generate it for free. There is no freemium version. And then you can just tap and hold and then add new stickers from this app. Then you can also just tap plus and use it in iMessage here. And then you can just open it in iMessage. So here, then you can just open it up and start using it in iMessage. And yeah, so that's what it is. Then also you can just try to use some stickers from people who created it. So you can just search for packs or emojis. So yeah, that's the process. Try it out. Unfortunately, this app you need to upgrade right away. Unfortunately, I think there are a bunch of free websites, AI emoji websites, where you can just go in your browser, and those are free. But here, if you want to use it much more convenient with your iMessage, yeah, you need to upgrade.